In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add plugin in Figma. By the end, you'll have a simple plugin with a user interface that creates a rectangle on your canvas, plus a clear path to testing, improving, and publishing it. Start inside Figma with any file open. From the top left, go to Menu, then Plugins, then Development, and choose New Plugin. When Figma asks what kind of plugin you want, pick With UI. This option gives you a small interface panel, which is ideal for most workflows. Give your plugin a clear, memorable name so you can find it easily later. As soon as you confirm, Figma generates starter files for you. You'll see three key files. The manifest.json holds your plugin's settings like its name, ID, and which files it uses for the main code and UI. The code.js file is your plugin's main logic. This is where you talk to the Figma document, create nodes, and respond to messages. The UI.ihtml file is the interface shown to users. It can include HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that sends messages to code.js. Open UI.html and build a tiny interface, a heading, and a button. In a script tag, add a click handler for the button that calls parent.postMessage with a plugin message type like createBox. That one line is the bridge from your UI to the plugin runtime. Think of it as tapping the shoulder of code.js and saying, do the thing. Now open code.js. First, call figma.showUI HTML sal. So your interface appears when the plugin runs. Then listen for messages with figma.ui.onMessage. If the message type is createBox, create a rectangle, resize it to 200 by 100, give it a solid blue fill, and append it to figma.currentPage. With just a few lines, you've connected a button click to a visible change on the canvas. To try it, go back to Figma and head to Plugins Development, then select your plugin by name. Your UI will pop up, click the button, and a blue rectangle appears on the page. If you tweak the UI or code, save your changes, rerun the plugin from the same menu, and check the results. This quick loop, edit, run, verify, is the fastest way to iterate. From here, you can expand your plugin to generate UI layouts, rename layers in bulk, insert icons or images, or even build social media templates. If you connect external